Managing Director of Tourism Australia, Felipa Harissen, has said that China is expected to reclaim the top spot in Australia's international tourism industry in the near future. Tourism Australia is the Australian government agency responsible for attracting international visitors to the country.
We are seeing more and more Chinese travellers coming back to Australia since we opened just over 12 months ago, which is great to see. We are really delighted to see that more and more Chinese are coming back to enjoy everything that Australia has to offer, and we know that it's only a matter of time before China is our number one market once again.
For the upcoming Spring Festival holiday, Harrison was full of expectations.
This is always our busiest time of year, so we always see a spike in travel over the Lunar New Year, which is fantastic. When they come here, there is a lot to do around Australia, and certainly there is a lot of Spring Festival celebrations all over Australia, particularly here in Sydney, so they can see fireworks. There is lots and lots of local celebrations, and certainly Australians love getting involved with the Lunar New Year festival, so they will feel very, very welcome when they get here. So to anyone thinking about coming to Australia, I would like to say you are very welcome, and at this moment, Long Nian Kuai Le.